What is up, people? What's going on? OnePlus 7 Pro, man. This thing it's been real good lately. I noticed day one, there's a little bird out there. I noticed day one battery life was not as good as I anticipated, but the day right after that, I was able to get about 6 hours of on-screen time. So not bad. I think I had like maybe 17 hours of standby. So the phone is actually gorgeous. I'm actually really enjoying the phone. I just went ahead and installed, let me clear my messages here. I just went ahead and installed a white stone dome tempered glass screen protector. Man, it came out fabulous. This phone is damn good looking. The pop-up camera is dope, man. Let me see if I can get it to unlock. Yep, you can see how quick that is. That's a quick unlock, man. That's like super fast. I'm recording with my Pixel 3 XL, and yeah, the video quality on the Pixel 3 XL is just crazy good, man. I mean, the one on the OnePlus 7 Pro is no slouch. It does do some pretty good, decent photos, and also videos is decent. It's good, man. I'm telling you, it's not as good as the Pixel, because obviously the Pixel has when you take still shots, it has it post processes the images, so it actually enhances them like after you take the photo. So that's the only advantage that the Pixel has, but it's a pretty good phone. I'm actually enjoying the OnePlus 7 Pro. This is my favorite color right here. This is the almond white. I did also get the Bullets Wireless 2, and those are pretty nice, man. They actually sound really good. I went ahead and did a video on that also. I'll probably be uploading that here in a second. I did the White Stone Dome installation video, which I'll probably have to edit a little bit because it's a little bit too long. And then I went ahead and did the unboxing of the Bullets Wireless 2, and those things paired immediately. Pretty good headphones. They actually sound real good. Are they worth the $100? I would say yes. I'm not too sure the battery life on them, so I couldn't tell you. I mean, first impressions, they're lightweight, they fit in my ears, they stay in my ears, and they sound pretty good. Those are the type of headphones, or they're actually earbuds, and when you put them in your ears, they actually mute out the surrounding noise. So if you're into that stuff where you're like in a noisy environment and you put these in your ear, it kind of tones all the noise out, so you can listen to your music freely and very nicely. So works real good. You can they also power on as soon as you separate them. They're like magnetic, so as soon as you separate them, they actually turn on. Sound good, man. They sound good. OnePlus 7 Pro, definitely. I'm in love with this display. Shout out to Android Stud. I'm also in love with the unlocking on here. I mean, the face unlock is fast. The fingerprint reader is fast. Even with the White Stone Dome tempered glass screen protector, it unlocks. I didn't have to redo my fingerprint or nothing. It just automatically. So yeah, it's very nice. Very quick. The unlocking is just so fast. But yeah, so far fast and fluid. You can definitely tell the fluidity of the phone. The 90 hertz is definitely in motion here. You can definitely see it. And let me go ahead and go to Twitter real quick, and you can see the scrolling on here. It's just, I don't know if you guys can see it like through the video, but the scrolling is definitely, it's the smoothest experience I've ever had on any smartphone, and that's including the Pixel 3. You know, I think I had what was it? The Razer phone was very smooth, but the Razer phone has those huge bezels, and it's not as an immersive experience as it is on here. I mean, you watch videos on here. I go to one of my videos, and you can see that you just get immersed with the video, with the visual enhancement full screen after this commercial. Speakers sound good too, by the way. Oh, I keep doing that. I keep pushing my power button. I keep thinking Look at that. Look at that screen, man. Viewing angles are nice. You do get the little bit of glare with the edges. See what I was saying? But look at that. That is incredible. I did this live stream from work, so I use the Wi-Fi. It's not real good. But look at that. Look at that screen though. That screen though. Beautiful, man. Anyways, guys, I'm really enjoying. This is just a heads up on where I'm at so far with the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm actually really enjoying this device. I may go ahead and just sell off my OnePlus. I mean, not my OnePlus. Sell off my Pixel 3 XL. I'll probably put that on a chopping block because it's about time. You know, that notch. You know, after using this for a few days, the notch and going back to the notch is just it's not a good experience. So I'll probably be selling the Pixel 3 XL. I do have tons of cases for it if you guys are interested. Hit me up on Twitter at TonyPazzo216 and DM me if you're interested in my Pixel. I'll probably let it go for cheap, maybe about $400 with a bunch of cases. I do have all the accessories that are included, the box, the cables, all the paperwork, everything. Also have some cases from, I think it's Nimbus 9. I have different cases from Nimbus 9 that'll probably work out real good on there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. OnePlus 7 Pro, man, I'm loving it. We out.